Lloyd today. I'm Managing Director of Language is Everything. So we provide 4 core services. So that's from telephone interpreting to video interpreting, which is more prominent now, face-to-face interpreting, which traditionally in our industry was the predominant way of delivery, and translations as well. So that can be a website translation, that can be a document, any piece of text we can translate from one language into another. The business started 30 years ago, so my challenge as Managing Director is to sustain and prolong us for the next 30 years. So it's a big challenge ahead, but one I'm up for. And we just started to break down barriers of communication, really, because it's difficult anywhere when you speak the language. So being in a foreign country and not feeling like you've got that support. So we really fill that gap. We're here to ensure that the ability to speak a language is never a barrier for communication. What's exciting, really, it's every day's different for me. I try and be as structured as I can be. I will dedicate time for leadership meetings. So I'll check in with different departments to ensure everything as it should be, set tasks, retrieve data and statistics to see how we're performing as a business. I have my head in spreadsheets, graphs, charts, which is quite good for me because I love numbers. So for me, I'm constantly looking at statistics, reports, data to see how we're performing as a business. I need to have a lot of time allocated for ad hoc tasks. So as of when they come in, a member of staff might knock at my door, they might have concerns, they might have questions. So I need to be there for them to provide that on-hand support. So I was out of college and I was also working part-time at nightclub in Hull. This is not me. I want to do a little bit more and make a difference. And I spoke to a good friend of mine and he said, oh, why don't you apply for an apprenticeship? And I've always been passionate about helping people and I've always been confident in my delivery and speaking. I said, actually, this might be something for me. Went to the interview, the fellow went really, really well and I got the apprenticeship. So it started there. I was a receptionist. I quickly fell in love with the business. I was passionate about the services we provide and the people we help. And I saw a real opportunity, to be honest. So I just give it my all. I always went above and beyond. And I went from being a supervisor to a team leader to service manager to operations manager. And then 2 years ago, I was appointed managing director. Even from a young age, if you're at school and you don't know exactly what to do, it's absolutely fine. Nobody does. Yes, you need to be ambitious, you need to set yourself goals, but if it doesn't go that way, it's absolutely fine. There's always a plan B, C, D. There's always different avenues and opportunities you can take. And for me, I feel what's been a recipe for success for myself is being passionate about what I do. So find something you enjoy, find something you're good at, and don't give up. Give it everything you've got.